Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to log in into your Starling Bank app, the process is very simple and quick. First, open the Starling Bank app on your phone and then make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin as well. Next, go ahead and click on login as returning customer and add in your phone number. After that, enter your password carefully, and then if your device supports it, you can use fingerprint or face to unlock faster login. Once the correct details are entered, you will be logged in into your account instantly. You will be able to see your balance, transactions, and other banking features. If you are logging in into a new device, you may need to verify your identity using the code sent to your phone or your email. Then follow the instructions shown on the screen. If login fails, double check your details and try again later. You can also reset the app if needed. Now your Starling Bank app is ready to use. Thanks for watching.